Well, welcome back to the shop, guys. Today we're working on, well, we're doing another alignment because we do a lot of alignments here. Do a lot of chassis setup. Today we got a 67 Chevelle. Beautiful car. Drag and drive. Fluid brakes. Super Sport. I really like that maroon metallic. It's almost a chili pepper red. It glistens in the sun. Nice interior electronic dash. Ooh yeah. Doors fit and shut correctly. Very nice. You might have noticed in the background we got a 69 Impala sitting here too. It's here for an alignment from Jody over at John Glenn Auto Sales. I don't know if this is one he's building for himself or if he's putting that one up for sale. But that's a pretty cool old plus-sized muscle car, if you will. Now I gotta get to work, so let's get this thing all on the rack. Fuel injected. I do like these dashes. Very clean install. 502 as far as you know. The Holly Sniper down in there. CVF Racing, love it. Short pump so he has enough room for a radiator. Tubular uppers, tubular lowers, maybe? Yep. Nice. So we're towed in. We could use more caster. We definitely want to go negative with our camber. Why are those so far off? Let's figure it out. Alright, well, the underside of this car is as nice as the upper side. Frame's gorgeous, coated. QA1 uppers and lowers. Basically everything's newer, reconditioned. Gen 5 454 block. QH400. This thing actually has a power steering cooler and a power steering filter. Fluid brakes. Looks like it's got the QA1 package in the back as well as the stiffeners. Big old Curry 9-inch. Fluids as well. Got adjustable uppers for setting pinion. Pretty nice ride, man. Very nice. Trans coolers mounted under here. Again, I don't know how much cooling they do when they're just sitting stagnant, but with it running down the road, it might get some air through it. Don't know. A lot of guys will put fans on those. Well, while I'm doing this alignment, I've got a 6-liter diesel intake manifold that's filthy. So I'm going to start cleaning that, and then probably in the next episode you'll see it when it's done, because it takes a good amount of time in the cleaner to get it completely clean, but you'll probably enjoy watching that process. So we'll do that, get that started while I'm working on this thing. This car is fantastic. Dakota digital dash looks really nice. Complements the car very, very well. So I'm going to try and give it a little more caster, which shouldn't be a problem. I'm still questioning why we're 1.5 degrees positive on this side, because it should be a full degree the other way. So I'm going to recomp just to check to make sure my equipment's reading right. But looking at it, it's definitely cambered out. I'll throw some shims in it and then do a recomp and see where it ends up. Alright, well that's looking a bit better. Let's reduce our camber on this side. We'll remove, I don't know, a 1/16 on both the front and rear positions. And that'll only change our camber. It won't make any changes to our caster. We'll see if a 1/16 gets us where we want to be. I think it will be pretty close. It'll be probably within a 1/10 or 2. Alright, so I took 2 1/8" shims out of the front and rear lower control arm positions, there and there. And I exchanged them out for 1/16" shims. And brought me in 4/10 because it changed the height, it changed the other side just a smidge. But I think we're going to be good to go. I'll re-sweep caster to verify my steering wheel center. This thing should be good to go. So after my final caster sweep, I think we look just fine. Pretty much dead on, pretty close to dead on, or dead on. It keeps flipping between 0.6, 0.7. So it's super close. I'll take it. That should handle really nice, should have good stability. I just got to lock it down and go for a test drive. Beautiful car. Beautiful car. Am I the only one that giggles that the U-Haul stickers are on upside down? Color on this car is absolute fire. It is like a maroon, it's like a metallic Dodge maroon. And they laid it over a black sealer as the base. And it just looks phenomenal in the sun. Absolutely great. Yes, sir, I approve in your taste. Absolutely gorgeous car. Thanks for letting me set it up. It's going to drive a heck of a lot better. I threw in some more caster, took the camber and balanced it out, also made it negative so it'll handle better in the turns. Those QA1 upper and lower control arms and the rebuildable QA1 ball joints are a wonderful upgrade on any GMA body or anything else they make those things for. They're a great addition to make these old classics actually handle and drive in a modern manner on modern roads, and it makes them a lot more fun to drive. So enjoy the car. Thanks for letting us work on it here at Lucore Automotive Services. You guys have a safe day. Move on to the next thing, and you guys will see me whatever I'm working on from there. Thanks for coming along for the ride. Have a great day.